So what do you think so far?
This is super convenient. If it wasn't for you, I would have jumped on this. Show me how this actually works, how they waterproof, and you can kind of like neatly put your tools away, which is like, I'm a neat freak, so this is definitely helping me out. Baby number 2. Big boy. Oh, where you going? Now we really talking.
Show that again. So these tops are designed so you can snap them up and they stay open. And I know you've probably heard it from everybody else and seen these reviews. This is basically the first experience with the packout system.
I reach tools and put them in.
What we're doing next?
I'm gonna get them tools, put them up in here.
You heard it here. We're gonna load it up. He also got the small box.
We got these at the store actually.
Ooh, that looks nice. You know what would look really nice there? A pack-out vacuum.
Must
Wet, dry vacuum.
That's a must.
Brushless.
That's a must.
I actually don't own one of these, but I do like them. Soon to come, soon to come. So check it out. We also got here the Milwaukee hose saw and saw blade kit. I'm about to open that up and check that out. I know it's nighttime and dark. That's why we set up the Milwaukee light. Okay, so here's the Milwaukee light, LED light. So right now, what he's gonna do is pack all his stuff in his pack out. By the way, he is a AC refrigeration technician as well as a specialty technician that does other stuff besides air conditioning and refrigeration. And this is a full video of how he's gonna set up his Milwaukee pack out.
Alright, so I got these babies here. I needed it. Alright.
He also purchased the Milwaukee, I don't know if you guys can see it. The lighting's not as good, but it's the 100-piece impact drill and drive set. You guys can see that? Alright, let's open this up. Wow, it's actually a nice set. Okay.
definitely my baby gotta be.
So where are we starting at?
We're gonna start right here. If this thing fits here, like that, oh, it is. No, it does not. It's actually longer.
Yep.
Makes sense. This is like a longer joint. Fuck.
So we all know that this part will not fit in any of the other packouts besides this container.
You were recording me while I was talking like that.
Again, will not fit in any of these other packouts.
So it's clearly
Will
meant for
not
the
fit.
camera. All right, so
So right now, what he's trying to do is utilize the space as best as he can.
I want this to be more of a service, just for diagnose the equipment itself, just for only diagnostic situations, nothing crazy. When you're about to do an actual job, now we'll take this big boy with that one, and then we play with it. But in the meantime, we only talking diagnostic, real quick little scenario. So I'm gonna put this baby in there. Definitely need this too. Major. Got a better idea. This is the right way to do it, Where's the Milwaukee one?
He's upgrading that cheap one to a Milwaukee level.
All day. Oh yeah.
Right now, it's coming along pretty good. So we got so far. All right, we're gonna do a quick look at his Milwaukee pack out. You know, we got it set up as best as we can as of now. He's definitely gonna change it up a little bit as he goes.
All right, so this box right here is gonna be pretty much all diagnostic stuff. Real quick grab, angle drill, a little thing right there so you can measure, you know, a little tape measure. You got some black tape. Remember, I do appliances and air conditioning, so I need definitely my field piece handy. I need my beat up flathead, my bits, my Allen keys, lubricants for the motors and stuff like that in case if we need to do something quick. We got multi screwdrivers in there as well. But we were gonna go through them and change them up. This will be the electrical box. Anything with wire connectors, stuff like that, that's what we're gonna use it for. Of course, hole saw kit, we need that, you need that. This box, what do we say we're gonna do with this box? So this box right now has nothing in it. Interesting. This box is pretty much gonna be my drills. Just sitting around properly, of course, put away. And in the bottom, so we have some wrenches, we have another tape measure, stud finders and stuff like that when we're doing TV mounting or whatever the case might be we're doing. We got some screws, which they are not gonna be finally in this box, but just temporarily. We got rid of the old stuff, put everything as organized as possible in this box. So we got more screws. We got my heat gun. I got aluminum tape on this corner as well. I got one of my chargers in here. I have my sliders down here. Good to have when you're working with appliances. Sockets. All right, and we have a couple of these down here. So let me show you real quick. So we have our shockwave from Milwaukee kit. We also have that one is another shockwave from Milwaukee. This one is the drill. I forgot the name of these. What's the name of these again?
Screw bits.
Drill bits. Sorry. And then we have some more bits in here, just in case, you know. It's always good to have some extra stuff. So this is all temporary, guys. It's amazing. My vehicle is gonna be way more cleaner now, thanks to the Milwaukee packout system. We'll keep you guys posted when we actually finalize everything the way it's really gonna go. This is just temporary.